Lord, yeah. Oh Lordy Lord, must be spiritually grounded to face the world as we live on. Ulu Jama and the one Caribbean. Keep it real, life is a journey. Wise men would always admit. Must be so grounded to face the day as we move on. This war not physical but spiritual war. Remember life full of a mystery. A life in spirit would admit. Yes. Mankind locked in a bandage. Agony, shortage, rampage. Big ship in a Babylon stranded. Not easy to stand it. Jedi and I most wanted. From me I up, still me down get grounded. Mountain get washed me to sun yet. Judge still sound I and I still one yeah. Judge still sound I and I grounded. Yeah. It's from the heart with a clean conscience. Spiritually grounded. Must have feel what you feel. Oh Lord, spiritually grounded. Yeah. Just remind yourself, try not to forget. We are going to sing and praise, chant and raise the arms for the Almighty One. The future starts from now for what comes ahead. Trials and tribulation, the task is the test. In any circumstance, for most things can jet. Hold it for a second. Yo, intellectually grow, increasing knowledge. Inner integrity must be deeply rooted. Reality as we face it, no frustrated, even when it seems hopeless. Yeah, grateful another day. Life so precious, no room for fail. Got a tight ship for sail. Landfall by Judge grace.